In this video, we are showing what are the components that are situated inside the CPU. So we are showing the video of internal parts of a computer cabinet. So it is a close look at motherboard and various components that are located inside our personal computers. So CPU, also known as the Central Processing Unit, is the electronic circuitry within a computer that execute instructions that make up a computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic control, and input-output operations specified by the instruction in the program. So CPU is contained on a single metal oxide semiconductor integrated chips. So these are the various parts. I just turned the back side. This is the look. Anyway, the motherboard, and you can also see the various circuits and all in this CPU. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with our channel Engineers World Online.